Hello, welcome back to JoJo's farm. Today I'm going to give you updates about the farm since the last video. Thank you all, it's been a while, but work is still in progress. If this is your first time watching this video, you can please hit the subscribe button, like it, share, so that when we post any new video, you'll be the first to know. Thank you all for following us this far. As you can see, things has really progressed to where we were expecting. Right now, we've been able to acquire the pigs. We had some piglets. We had a sow, and we had 2 sows actually, and a bull. And so far so good. So far so good. It wasn't easy getting them, but thank God for God, we've been able to acquire one. So together, as we said, we wanted 6. We had 6. Actually, we had 7. 6 bulls, and 6 sows and 1 bull. That is good for the start, and this is how we're gonna move on. Even though we started with 4 piglets, and then we had 3 which was fully grown. So that is how we started it, starting small. As we brought them from different farm, the norm, we have to deworm them, we have to give them some vitamins and some shots here and there, and then keep them here for a new beginning. As you can see, we were able to put together some feed for them, and did some mixture here and there. As we progress, we're gonna give you education and insight about exactly what kind of feeds we are giving them, and the progress, whether it's gonna work or not. And if you have any idea, you can comment, put it on the comment section. They are welcome. Right now we are looking forward to see what next, but so far so good. Things are moving on successfully. Everybody is excited, and like we said, this is where we're heading towards, and thank God that everything is in place. I always tell you that one thing I believe in whatever that you put down as a plan that you wanna achieve, hard work, you'll be able to accomplish. With determination and hard work, you'll be able to accomplish. So try as much as you can. If this is the first time, just subscribe to this channel. You can go back and watch some of our videos. We started somewhere in is it April or May, and we thought that by September we'll be done. We couldn't, and it's actually October now. It hasn't been easy. As you can see, we were able to get them, brought them, and then convey them to the site, to the farm. It was a tough journey, but we made it. Like I said, by next week, if God's willing, we'll put together the estimate from the scratch to the finish, including the pigs, how much we spend. We'll break it down, and then we'll give it to you, so that if you're planning of doing this, you know roughly how much you should be looking, where you're looking to spend, and how you can cut corners. And then, hey, we did what we have to do to get this point. Maybe you may have a different option, a different plan. It's up to you. But so far, we got them. And also we had like 75%. Yeah, we had a boa, which is the boa is Duroc, 75%, and then we had a Lancashire and then Land White. They're all 75%. So you see them, you know. This is what we got for now. As we progress, we're going to see if we can do some bridge crossing and to get a different, you know. Like I said, this is a new beginning, and we are open for your comment, for your advice, for your direction, whatever you got for us. We are ready to receive and then upgrade, update, and move on. Yes, move on. It is what it is. And we are moving on little by little. And hopefully, the next time that you guys will, you know, come for an update on the pigs, you will see a great progress. We are expecting to see a great progress as well. We are not leaving any stone unturned. We're gonna grow, and we're gonna move, enlarge, and then spread our wings. And like I always say, we are family. If this is your first time watching, just join the family by subscribing to this channel, and let's move on and keep the farm going. This is the beginning of good things to come. The beginning of good things to come. So thank you all for watching, and God richly bless you. This is how far we have gotten, and watch out for the next video. Thank you all. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, the notification touch, and share. Thank you all. Bye-bye.